Damn, Danielle.
Who you a fool
Back at it again with another video.
Oh Lord, Jensen made another one.
Okay, y'all, so happy Sunday. So I finally got the hooks for my Christmas tree. I showed that to you guys yesterday. It did come in yesterday. So now we're about to decorate the Christmas. Let me stop saying we. Let me stop saying we, because my uncle just looked at me like I was crazy. I'm about to decorate the Christmas tree.
People think I'm lazy. I'm not.
I'm about to decorate the Christmas tree, and my uncle is going to help with his eyes, his direction skills. So yeah, let's get around to decorating this Christmas tree because it's been long overdue. Y'all know I wanted to decorate this Christmas tree like a couple of days ago, but I didn't have the hooks. So yeah.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go. We go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we. It's the fifth of love. Hey, hey, hey. It's the fifth of love. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go.
I'm a grown up. Someone put aside right next to the owner. I'm looking so good, make his wife pick a phone up. Big go boulders in the room.
Okay, y'all, so we've been in this traffic for a very long time just so I can go get some tree branches from Home Depot. So I did mention this earlier in this vlog that Home Depot lets you get free branches, like the branches that fall off the Christmas tree, because Home Depot sells real Christmas trees. They have like a box, like a huge box full of branches.
You're fucking kidding me right now.
So Home Depot have, I think Lowe's do it too, but I just know for sure that Home Depot does it. So they have like a box of branches that fall off the tree, and the box of branches is free, so you can come, you can get a whole bunch of them, you can do what you do with the branches. I usually make my Christmas wreath every year for my front door, and I like to use fresh branches just to make it be more realistic looking, because the plastic ones, they just don't look appealing to me. So I usually always like to use fresh branches to make my my wreath, and I make it really, really nice. I already have a video up for like years ago on how I make my wreath, but I might just do an updated video and do like an updated TikTok/reel, just so I can have that on those platforms, because like I said, I have a video already on my YouTube years old of how I make my Christmas wreath from scratch.
And then after that, I don't know, like buy some things.
You not hear me say it like not one time.
I've heard you say it quite a few
You did not hear me say like.
Ask your viewers.
I'm gonna rewatch this video. You hear me say and like no, I don't
You
talk
didn't say
like
it
that.
like that, but you said like a lot of times.
Like is in everybody's vocabulary.
Yeah, but that one word you were saying.
You say a lot, and you don't hear me saying nothing.
You didn't say You said.
I said you. You
said,
say.
You didn't say like. That's the specific word we're talking about.
You say a lot, and I don't say nothing. So.
I do say a lot because I don't be knowing what the fuck I be talking about.
Anyways, before he rudely interrupted my vlog, that's all I wanted to say. Anyways, like yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Home Depot. This is pretty. That don't look like it's 8 to 9 feet. My Christmas tree at home looked taller than that. These are 6 to 7 feet and they only $65. If I was getting a Christmas, like a real Christmas tree this year, yeah. These are 5 to 6 feet and these are only $45. If you want a real Christmas tree, come to Home Depot because they have great deals. Got some nice pieces in here. Kinda.
I think they're buried.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, girl, what you say? Anna, get a little Christmas tree. They have some reefs here. Like, this is what mine's gonna look like, kind of. That's $15 though. That's not bad. They have some. This is real. That's real branches. And that's only $15. Ooh, that's $500. For what? This tree is $500.
Why?
I guess because the light changed colors.
No.
Yes, it is. It's gonna change colors.
Oh.
See?
No, I said no at the price.
What?
I was saying no at the price.
Maybe because of the type of material.
It had to be.
It feels hard.
Why don't you scan the barcode?
It's fake.
and
It's
see
fake.
what
Yeah, clearly it's fake. All the fake ones on the inside.
So what would it
Y'all know Home Depot has pampas grass? I did not know that. They have like dark colors. I'm guessing it's for fall because they ain't got no tan or nothing in here. It's like purple, red, orange. This orange looks good. Look at Santa. Oh shit.
Like I'm already here.
Okay.
Please
Let's get the fuck out of
and
here.
add to the joyous festivity.
Let's get the fuck out of here. They have these little things. This one does karate.
Everybody wants kung fu fighting. Those cats were fast.
This is so cute.
His back was a little bit frightening.
Yeah, so everybody was kung fu fighting.
Oh my god. No.
It's the head bob.
Why are you bobbing like that? That's a dope. Wow, $20 though. Wow.
Oh my god!
You can do a split. For $30, you can do a split.
That's so cute! Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. It's later on the night. It's like midnight, 12:03 to be exact. And I'm home. I've been home for a while. In fact, like I've been home for hours. I did my nails. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's kind of like leopard-ish. Like brown leopard-ish. I really like them. And they're a little bit longer than what I usually do for my nails. But yeah, so. But yeah, so I came home, I did my nails, I cooked for my uncle who was here with me earlier. Y'all heard him in the earlier clip. I cooked for my uncle. I can't really eat nothing. I'm not sure if I mentioned it to you guys, but I know I did. I know I did. I got strep throat. I went to the hospital yesterday. They gave me some medicine, so it is clearing it up. It's not contagious anymore because of the medicine they gave me, so I can be around other people. But before I went to the hospital yesterday, of course, I could not because you do pass it on. But I'm fine now. I got my medicine. But what else was I gonna say? So I have to eat like soup and soft food when you have stroke into your throat, like the swelling in your throat goes down. You can't eat like nothing solid or hard, so I have to eat like soup, mashed potatoes, stuff like that. I like to eat. And Thanksgiving coming up. Thanksgiving is in like a couple of days to be exact, because today's Sunday, so Thanksgiving's on Thursday. And this needs to clear up, because if I don't get to eat no Thanksgiving food, oh, I would be pissed. But that's enough. I don't really have too much to say. I'm about to watch some TV until I go to bed. I just want to come on here and end the vlog. This is the end of this vlog. I just wanted to show you that I do have to start another vlog. It is going to be like more Christmas decor stuff going on in the other vlog, like for these next couple of weeks, because y'all know Christmas is coming up. I'm not doing the Vlogmas, but you know, I still will participate in some Christmas stuff. But yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.